Top 7 Health Benefits of Turmeric. Welcome to our daily health. We give daily videos on a lot of wellness topics. So please hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon, and that way you'll never miss any of our videos. When talking about turmeric, the first thing that comes to mind is its powerful health properties. Common in Asia, turmeric is a staple spice in some Asian cuisines, like Indian food. Curry, for instance, uses turmeric as its main spice. Though it is bitter and has a warm state, it is used to enhance the flavored dishes, usually with mustard, butter, and cheese. Turmeric powder comes from the turmeric plant, specifically the roots. The yellow-colored chemical called curcumin is responsible for its yellow color on the food and cosmetics. But aside from its flavor-enhancing properties, turmeric is also known to be a natural health remedy. Specifically, it's used as a pain reliever and as an anti-inflammation for osteoarthritis. It is also used to treat hay fever and inflammatory bowel problems. Many people believe turmeric is also good for heartburn, depression, stress, and types of liver disease. There are many other benefits turmeric can also give to our bodies. Top 7 Health Benefits of Turmeric. Number 1. Turmeric contains a natural anti-inflammatory compound. It is common knowledge that inflammation in the body is one thing doctors always look out for. When there is inflammation in the body, while low-level inflammation is believed to help the body fight off bacteria, doctors believe that there is infection. Of course, when there is infection, we always think of antibiotics. However, switching to traditional and natural treatments can do wonders in the body. Turmeric, for instance, contains natural anti-inflammatory compounds known as curcuminoids. One of its compounds is called curcumin, which is the main active ingredient in turmeric. It is believed to be powerful enough that it matches the effectiveness of painkillers or anti-inflammatory drugs, but without any side effects. What it does is that it suppresses the molecules that facilitate inflammation. Since curcumin is fat-soluble, it is best to take it with a good fatty meal. Number 2. Turmeric increases the antioxidant capacity of the body. Aging and many chronic diseases like cancer are linked to oxidative damage. Oxidative damage is caused by the free radicals, which are highly reactive molecules with unpaired electrons. This means free radicals react to proteins or fatty acids. When the body experiences oxidative damage, the cells start to get damaged and the body organs fail to function normally. This is the reason why we need a good intake of antioxidant-rich food, and these foods are vegetables and fruits. Turmeric contains curcumin, a potent antioxidant that neutralizes the free radicals in the body because of its chemical structure. By itself, the working of its antioxidant content already does wonders in getting rid of free radicals in the body, but curcumin does more than that. While it protects the body from oxidative damage, it also boosts the activity of the body's own antioxidant enzymes. In short, it does a two-way role in the body. It blocks the free radicals and it also pushes the body's own antioxidant to do their job well. Number 3. Turmeric aids in brain function. What causes brain-related diseases? Of course, there are certain factors that are linked to these diseases, but one factor that is quite common in brain-related diseases is the lack of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, which is a type of growth hormone in the brain. This hormone is responsible for the functions in the brain as it facilitates the forming of new connections by the neurons in the same areas of the brain. This means when neurons form new connections, brain functions improve. Thus, when this hormone is lacking in the brain, diseases such as Alzheimer's disease and depression set in. Increasingly, turmeric can help the brain achieve its required BDNF hormone. Because of the curcumin content, studies show that curcumin can increase the brain levels of BDNF. As such, brain-related diseases and age-related decreases in brain function may be delayed or even reversed. Moreover, because curcumin can facilitate the creation of new connections, it follows that it can help improve memory and make a person smarter. In short, curcumin and turmeric can help keep you smart and make things mentally easier. Number 4. Turmeric lowers the risk of heart-related diseases. One of the main explanations why people suffer from hypertension, heart attacks, and other heart-related problems is the abnormal blood flow in the heart, which is caused by blocked arteries or blood vessels. Thus, it is important that the blood flow in the heart is undisrupted and normal. There is a part of the heart called the endothelium, which is the lining of the blood vessels. In this part, the blood flow must be regulated to avoid high blood pressure and the presence of clots in the heart. The problem lies when there is endothelial dysfunction. In this instance, the curcumin in the turmeric can help improve the function of the endothelium in the heart and can even reverse the steps in the heart disease process. Some studies suggest that the workings of curcumin are similar to doing exercise regularly or the effectiveness of atorvastatin. Also, since curcumin is an anti-inflammatory, it is also very helpful. In some studies conducted, it was found that those patients who had undergone bypass surgery and were given curcumin showed a decreased risk of hospitalization after surgery. Number 5. Turmeric treats arthritis. Everywhere arthritis is a common problem. Arthritis is a condition that involves inflammation in the joints. It is painful that patients with this illness find it difficult to do their daily routine, and pain disrupts their daily activities. Thus, it is important that arthritis is treated at the onset. Treating arthritis doesn't have to be by medicine intake right away. Especially with this type of illness, there are many natural remedies that can be used, and turmeric is one of them. As mentioned, turmeric is rich in curcumin, a potent anti-inflammatory compound. In fact, studies show on patients with rheumatoid arthritis that curcumin is even more effective than anti-inflammatory drugs because of its powerful anti-inflammation properties. Number 6. Turmeric helps people with depression. Depression is a mental disorder, and not because it's a person's wish or whims. Experts find that depression is linked to a deficiency in brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, and the shrinking of the hippocampus, which is part of the brain responsible for the memory. The curcumin in the turmeric is believed to help patients with depression because curcumin boosts the levels of BDNF and reverses the damages caused by the low-level BDNF. When this happens, the patient would start feeling less depressed and would eventually get back on his feet. Additionally, turmeric is also rich in serotonin and dopamine. These two compounds can boost the brain's neurotransmitters. Number 7. Turmeric prevents some types of cancers. Cancer is a serious condition, which if possible should be prevented. Once a person has cancer, its treatment requires drastic methods. However, there are still ways like resorting to natural remedies. The use of turmeric, for example, one of the main reasons why turmeric has been considered as an anti-cancer herb is because of its curcumin content. Curcumin is a compound found in turmeric and has been considered by many to have powerful properties. The many studies conducted found that curcumin prevents the growth and spread of cancer cells. In some studies, it was found that a high dose of curcumin can even treat cancer because it kills cancerous cells. reduces the growth of new blood vessel tumors, and prevents metastasis or its spread. The effects of curcumin to the cancerous cells have been considered as a very powerful property of curcumin. As you can see, turmeric is a very powerful herb that can help treat different types of conditions, from mild to serious conditions. Thus, whether you use it as first aid for pain or treatment for cancer, it is always wise to have turmeric around you and include it in your food. Not only will you enjoy good food, but you are assured a healthy meal because of turmeric. We hope you found this information helpful. Please be sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications so you will never miss our daily video updates.